Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the controls on your JBL Clip 5. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their JBL Clip 5 and are wondering how do you actually go ahead and use the controls. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So let's first start off with the side of the speaker here. You have the power on button, okay? And sometimes people have trouble turning this on and off. But if you press the power button for 2 seconds and let go, that is going to turn off the speaker. And then if you press it for 1 second and let it go, that is going to turn on your speaker. So I like to turn it on just holding it for 1 second and then turning it off for 2 seconds by holding it down. On the side here, you have the Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you click on this Bluetooth icon, which is the middle button, press and hold it and wait until the light starts to blink white. That's going to indicate that your JBL speaker is currently in Bluetooth pairing mode. In addition, you also have this Auracast button. So what this Auracast button does is that it actually connects this JBL speaker with other Auracast compatible JBL speakers. So what that means is that all the JBL speakers can connect together and play music at the same time. Now on the front here, you have 3 buttons, but technically this middle button serves 3 different functions. So let's first go over the plus and minus button. So this is pretty self-explanatory. It's going to increase or decrease the volume. So plus increases the volume, and then the minus decreases the volume. Now the middle button here, this is going to pause and play your speaker. In addition to that, if you press this twice, it's going to skip to the next song. And then if you press it 3 times, this is going to skip to the last song. So that's pretty much it though as far as all the buttons on your JBL Clip 5 speaker go. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below.